Hi, friend. This is the EPIS, the popular green seasoning Haitians use as a base in many of their dishes. Haitian or not, this is one hell of a marinade that everyone should have in their fridge. And I mean that. If you watched my last video, diri dion dion was the first dish that I made with this sauce. I'm going to show you how to make it. It's quick and it's easy. First off, you need everything green, from green bell pepper to parsley, fresh basil, spring onion, cloves of garlic, some red bell pepper for some color. Now, some people even add yellow bell pepper, orange bell pepper. You go crazy, okay? I added some scotch bonnets for some heat. And your choice of spices. Just pour it all in there, right? Everything that you like. The full list of ingredients and my recipe is down below in the description. Now, before anything, you need to rinse your vegetables. I like to rinse my vegetables in cold water and some vinegar. This will help get rid of any of those, sandy particles in the veggies. Now, as for the big veggies, deseed the ones that need to be deseeded and cut them down into manageable chunks. Cutting them down will, of course, make it easy for your blender or food processor to roughly blend the ingredients. Now that everything has been cut up nicely, I would definitely advise that you use oil, more oil than water. And I added a bit of water just to make it easy for the blender to pick everything. But if you can do without water at all, great. Use more oil for this because the oil will also help the marinade's longevity in the refrigerator. You can use olive oil, vegetable oil, any type of oil that you prefer. Begin to process or blend until you reach a similar consistency to like a pesto. That's the kind of consistency that you're looking for. Not runny, not too thick, right? Just semi-thick. And I mixed everything together when I was done. I added a bit of salt and black pepper as well, just for added taste. And this is basically optional. It's according to your taste preference. The aroma of EPIS is amazing. Use this marinade in anything from fish to chicken to meat, so on and so forth. I've linked the video to the diri dion dion that we made in the last video. Go ahead and stick around to watch it. Thank you so much for watching this video. You know I always appreciate each and every one of you who take out time to watch my videos, who also go ahead and subscribe, like, share my videos. I appreciate you. Please, if you're yet to subscribe, go ahead and subscribe, like, share. I will be back with another smacking recipe.